Agurkėlių, turkų ir nupirktų viską.
Šviežių, natūralių.
Vat, agurkėlių. Gal matėte, ne, Dainius? Jis ekonomikos fakultete turi savo valgyklą, Dainius Žigmaras. Ir nepykit, kad jis kartais keikiasi šiek tiek.
Būna, visiems pasitaik. Kas čia fotografuoja? Ir štai dabar surprizas. Vakaro.
O, vainikas. When is the wedding? When is the wedding? No.
O?
Super. Ouch.
Tai vyko šventų kalėdų.
Tai buvo skauda, sako. Kažkas tai buvo.
Kokią dainą?
Much better. No.
It's normal, John.
She got hair. I don't have hair.
Keitės ir miestai ir veidai.
Kodėl? Boba. Sprunka, nu nieko nepadarys. Čia nieko nepadarys, ne?
Johnny, go. I'll burn you on the stake, bitch. Go.
Have sunburn. Johnny, this is your day.
Yeah.
Johnny, their day. John's day. One pack. You know, 6 pack and 1 pack. No, that's 24 pack. Kompot? Kompot. It's a Johnny day. It's a Johnny day.
Dėbėdė, man ramar.
Čia po žodis Džoniui. Tokia proga.
I would like Johnny to thank you for everything and for good company. And for me it's very important to meet here in Molete Observatory, because we have a conjunction with the stars and with the universe here.
I can't see any stars.
Yeah. But only Kompot.
No. Kaput. That is Captain Kaput.
Captain Kaput.
Yeah.
Kompot.
Yeah, we'll have also a nice day tomorrow. Yeah.
A few hours.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Exactly.
Captain John.
Taip geriausia bus, a? Nu jo.
Just take fresh potatoes.
No. Thank you very much.
Smell.
You don't know. Forgive him. He don't know what to do.